So here's a sample I did to test the grout. It was done with Laticrete Permacolor. All I did was smear the grout on a sample piece, leave it on for 10 seconds and wash it off, and you can see how stained the tile is. I mean, it looks filthy, but it's actually stained. There's no getting that out at this point. Alright, so now let me show you what we can do to avoid this.
Alright guys, so this is Zia tile, okay? It's cement tile. Alright, you see how thick it is? It's about 5/8 to 3/4 of an inch thick, depending on what type you get. It is a cement tile with a painted surface. Alright, I've done a lot of this stuff, and it's a real pain in the butt. The issues with this stuff is, one, the stuff scratches really easily. They come good, but they just scratch so easily. So this is just a sample tile I've been using I'm going to use to sample the grout on. The customer wants a darker grout to match these darker tones, and with this type of cement tile, the stuff stains so easily from the grout. I've used like white grout on Zia tile before, it works fine, but the customer wants a darker grout, right? So Zia tile recommends Mapei Flex Color CQ, which is this stuff, okay? I've tried Permacolor on it, I've tried Ultra Color, it all stains, okay? I've sealed the tile 6 times. It recommends 511. I've tried everything. I've tried solvent-based 511. I've tried agar. I've tried regular 511. Oh, this is solvent-based also. I've tried water-based. I've used everything I have, okay? And nothing seems to seal the surface of this tile, okay? They recommend like a water-based sealer. I've tried everything, water-based, solvent. Solvent seems to seal it a little better, but I'm nervous that the solvent-based will change the look of the tile. So I've only used it on my sample pieces. But anyway, these scrap pieces right here has been sealed 6 times, okay? So I'm gonna open a brand new bottle, brand new container, Flex Color. This thing was like 70 bucks that the customer wants. We're gonna try it out. Either it's going to stain and I'm going to not be able to use this, or it's going to work. Let's see. Now, I've used this stuff a few times, not on this tile, but it's okay grout. I'm not crazy about it. I actually done a review on this grout, but yeah, it's not my favorite, but it's what they recommend. So let's try it out. So the idea is to not push on the tile very hard, because you can scratch the tile with the sand in the grout, okay? So we're going to go very easy. Sorry, I'm just trying to get a sponge wet here for cleaning the tile. And then once you grout it, we say do not leave the grout on for a long time. Grout a very small area and wipe it off immediately. So let's see what we can do. Let's put these 2 pieces together like it's a grout joint, and let's see if we can grout it without damaging the tile. Or staining the tile. So I mean, this is like how we would do a grout joint. Trying to go nice and easy. I'm not trying to smush the grout in. So we're not even going to let it sit. We're just going to wipe it and see if we get any staining. So that actually looks pretty good, I do have to say. In the darker colors, right? We didn't try the yellow yet. But honestly, for letting it sit for maybe 2 seconds, it seems to have wiped off. In my opinion, I believe this is what helped. This is the 511 impregnator, solvent based. To me, this seems to have sealed the tile the best. It's not what they recommend, but I've had the best results with this sealer so far. Alright, so I don't know if you can see the grout joint. I'll show you a little closer. Let's do it right now. Let's see if you can see. There's really no color staining to the orange blue. So now we're going to do something a little different. We are going to smear it onto the yellow and let it sit for a little bit longer. Now, Mapei CQ, this grout, it's still a water paste. I thought it was urethane. It's not. This is still a water-based grout. So I'm not trying to damage the tile, but I'm kind of smearing it to see if I'll make any micro scratches that stain. So at this point, let's just go over all the colors, right? So I did that pretty good. All right, so let's let that sit for a little bit. Alright guys, so the grout's been on for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, that's all they recommend to leave it on for, so let's wipe this and see what happens. The grout's already starting to dry on the surface a little bit, but I don't see any staining of the tile just yet, and it looks good. Okay, my sponge is getting dirty. Let's see if we can buff it out with a rag.
Alright guys, at this point my camera ended up dying, but for Zia Tile they recommend the Mapei CQ grout, and you can see that it seems to have worked really good. Much better than the permacolor from Laticrete. If my video has helped you in any way, if you can subscribe and like the video, I'd really appreciate it. Take care guys.